the benefit of organizations like Harmony is really in bringing together huge data sets. We are dealing with hematological malignancies that are very, very heterogeneous. So that means basically every patient is unique in terms of clinical and genomic features. By bringing together huge databases, we can dissect and reveal subsets of patients that are very much alike and treat them more according to more tailored principles. So that is the huge opportunity that big data sets offer. The other advantage is that organizations like Harmony stimulate collaboration across boundaries, across countries, across cooperative groups, and stimulate progress of scientific research.